can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Welcome back to another episode of TooFast TV. Today, guys, we got some good stuff for you. So we're looking at a vintage MG today. So this car's been in here for a while, and we were told we couldn't film it, but now we got the permission, so we're gonna film it. We're gonna show you what's going on with it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a British green MG from I think the 1950s. It's amazing. You guys are gonna see that in this video, so let's get to it.
This guy, he's a specialist at classic vehicles.
I saw that post, eh?
Yes.
Classic cars, guys, they're different paints, right? It's not all the same paint.
In older cars, were the paint layers thicker than they are now?
No, it's thinner.
It's thinner, so that's what I'm saying, it's harder, right?
Cars don't have clear coat. Back in the day, they didn't invent clear coat yet. So a lot of them are single stage clear, different types of clear that went on that actually weren't clear coat. So sometimes if you polish a classic car and you're polishing and you turn your pad over, the pad could be the exact same color as the paint. And that means, you know, it's not a big problem, but you have to be super careful because there's not a lot of clear coat on the car.
That means you're into the paint layer, right?
Yeah, like now there's 25 layers of clear. Back then, there was maybe one, if that. Some cars don't even have clear on it. So polishing is really, really hard. You have to know what you're doing and be careful, or else you'll burn the paint right off because there's not enough clear to support your machine, right?
What's your favorite car that you've had the opportunity to work on?
That's a good question. I don't know. I've worked on. I polished the wrap on the. Have you seen Suicide Squad?
Yeah?
The Joker's purple car.
Shut the
up. Yeah, I polished that car.
Actually?
I wasn't allowed to post it because I had to sign a 2-year contract. With the
Oh,
wrap
like an NDA?
Yeah, the wrap company that wrapped the car. It wasn't their fault, but they wrapped it beautiful chrome pink with a purple in it, and then they were still building the car. So there was parts on the wrap that got messed up. So they called me, and I went and I spent a few hours and I polished the chrome. This is like
the movie was filmed in Toronto, right?
Yeah, that was it was downtown Toronto.
Man,
and that was
that's
a long
sick.
time ago. How long ago this was? Like 7 years?
A few years ago.
6, at least 5 years ago I did it.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was probably one of my top favorites. I got to meet like Ben Affleck and all those
Really?
guys. Yeah.
Dude.
They saw the car after I was done because when they saw it, they looked like shit. It looked like scratches and everything. So I spent like 4 hours doing that. I've done a couple good cars. But I stay humble. I'm just a regular detailer, bro.
Yeah. Do you do like house calls and stuff?
All I do now is mobile.
Oh yeah?
All I do is mobile.
Shout out your business right quick. What's your phone number? Where can they get you?
On Instagram, man. Hit me up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Follow him on Instagram where is it? Right here. Oh, be right here. That's actually crazy, the Suicide Squad car. And the new movie's coming out now too, so that's very topical.
Yeah.
Slim.
Yeah, man.
You know this guy worked on the Suicide Squad car?
Yes.
Bruh, that's crazy.
TooFast. We only have the best of the best.
I actually learned a lot from Salim. Salim taught me a lot about how to do this.
But the truth is, Jeff has taught me more.
I've known Salim forever.
Equal
I can tell you
exchange.
a couple stories about Salim you guys probably don't even know.
Please, we'd love to hear it.
He's a humble guy, very hard-working guy. In my opinion, I think he's probably one of the best drifters in the city, and he's a wasted talent because he never took it seriously. He just did it for fun. But if he like seriously took drifting seriously,
Like competitive.
he would be probably one of the best in Canada. He's been around a long time. 13 years ago, he was doing car shows, so
He's been selling car parts for like forever.
yeah, him and his dad, over 20 years.
That's dedication.
That's called OG.
Yo, bro, this is the worst work I've seen Austin do on a car. Like, he doesn't even do this on his own. But for a customer, he'll do it. Because he's that kind of guy.
He's getting his hands dirty for someone else.
And then he's gonna put them all over the keyboard the white keyboard out front.
Why are you doing the work? Where's everyone else?
Yeah, Wes is late. RF was a tough. I don't know. Ricardo's in Miami.
Ricardo's in Miami.
Visiting family.
I thought he was just doing his Cuban God thing. Alright guys, so I got a little bit of treat for you. I convinced Austin to give me the keys to his IS300 wagon. Look at that. It's an auto. Nice little car, man. Unlocked? It is, Austin. You shouldn't leave your car unlocked. People like me might get in. Whew. Jesus Christ. Yo, Sean, do you mind starting it up for me so I can get a shot of it starting up? I swear, what the f just happened? Bro,
Is there somebody
no, there isn't. What the f just happened, yo?
What just happened?
How did this thing just start? How did this thing just start? There's no f***ing key in the ignition, bro. It literally just started on its own, bro. What the hell?
This car's haunted. What just happened?
Bro, the keys are in my pocket. Does it have a remote start? Can you check on that? Does it have a remote start?
It does. So maybe that was it?
I'm gonna say I accidentally pushed that.
Yeah, by not even like touching it or having your hands near your pockets, but
No one in the car, no key in the ignition.
that was a trip. I mean, you're welcome for me starting it for you.
Thank you. Are you a demon or something, Sean? The Haunted IS. I'm actually so happy that there's a remote start on this thing, or else I would not have been able to explain that to myself, and I would have had nightmares for years to come. Scrapes, goddamn, Austin, you should have told me. It scrapes. Small turns, it scrapes. It's gonna scrape again here. Don't scrape, please don't scrape. Ah! Sorry, Austin. I didn't mean it. So Austin just sent me the parts list for his car. If I can see it in this goddamn sunlight. Supposedly what Austin's done to this car, if you look at the front, you can tell right away, he has new fenders. So these are the charge speed front fenders that he has installed here. But underneath there is a coilover. Actually, on all four corners there are coilovers. So you can't see it that well. But he also has done some suspension. I believe it's his control arm cement. He has the FRS steering wheel in the front with the paddles. I don't know if you can see that. So he swapped out the old IS300 steering wheel, put in the FRS steering wheel with the flappy paddles. He also has a aftermarket deck from Pioneer right there, so he can bump his tunes in here. And last but not least, you can see these gorgeous TSW wheels available here at TooFast. If you guys like these wheels, you guys can get yourself a pair. Just call it here at TooFast. We'll hook you up. Yo, T.
What's up?
You know Austin's beautiful IS?
Which one?
The one out front, the wagon.
Yeah.
You know the steering wheel on it?
Kinda.
It's an FRS steering wheel with paddle shifters. This guy says he got the paddles to work on the IS.
Until I see it myself, it's full of cat. All cat.
You hear that, Austin? T says you're capping.
Go look at the lift.
Take me for a ride.
Go drive it.
But that is actually like ridiculous. How you like you didn't have to do any extra wiring, just plugged it. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, like you just plug that in and it worked. That'd be crazy. But yeah, guys, Austin's car is amazing. Go let him know in the comments what you guys think. Is it trash? Is it pass? Is it somewhere in between? Let us know. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Leave a comment. Let us know what you thought of the video. We'll see you next time here on TooFast TV. Peace.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish.
So high off this rubber.
Your laugh just gets every time.
Can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.
Morning candy for Dawson. What?
It's a video.
Why?